Alright, today we're going to go over a beginning or a resistance training program for beginners. This workout or program is going to require just 10 minutes, and I'm going to kind of give you a synopsis of one session. It's going to consist of two movements. So we're going to have a pressing movement for your upper body, and then we're going to have a squatting movement for your lower body. And it's going to be 3 minutes of one movement, 4 minutes of rest, and then 3 minutes of another movement for a total of 10 minutes. So first we're going to go over a couple principles of resistance training. So resistance training should be challenging, but you shouldn't feel like crushingly tired after. And you should feel energized for about at least about 15 minutes after your workout, after your heart rate comes down a little bit. One of the big principles is long-term progression. You should be getting stronger. So either your workout should be getting a little bit easier, or you should make it harder and just progress. And some of the things that you can progress in, for example, you can increase the amount of reps you do in a total workout. Or you can increase the amount of reps you do in a certain amount of time frame. Or you can just increase the weight as well, which is pretty common if you have like a barbell or something like that. And now we're just going to kind of move into the workout right now. So first we're going to start out with something you can do at home. If you can do a push-up on the ground or something like that, that's fine. But what I'm going to use is this fridge to do my push-ups with. So I'm going to start out. All right, I'm going to do that. What I want to do that is for a full 3 minutes. And I want to count each one I do. And I'm going to write down, so say I did, and say I got tired in the middle of that. I can break it up, and in that 3 minutes I can take a little rest and do some more. Take a little rest and do some more. And I have 3 minutes to do as many as I can. And let's just say I did 100 this week. Alright, now I'm going to take a 3 or 4 minute rest. You can just be consistent. You can take 3 minutes, you can take 4, take whatever you need. And the next one we're going to do is just some chair squats. And what you want to make sure that you're doing is make sure you're not leaning forward too much, because then you're just using your body leverage to push you off. So you want to make sure you keep your body weight back a little bit. Just shows that if you can sit on and off of a toilet, you can work out. Alright, and I would say I got tired. Alright, I'm going to take a couple seconds, take a little break, and I'm going to continue to do these for another 3 minutes. Or not another 3 minutes, but within my 3 minutes that I have. Alright, let's just say I did 100 in 3 minutes. Alright, well I did 100 push-ups on the fridge or freezer, and I did 100 chair squats. Well, I'm planning on doing another workout in 2 or 3 days, and my progression method, I'm still doing 3 minutes of my presses, and then taking a 4 minute break, and then I'm doing 3 minutes of as many chair squats as I can, and then I have that number down. And then next week I'm going to try to do 110 push-ups and 110 chair squats. But say I just get 101, that's fine. that's still progression. I'm still progressing. So your goal is to do more each workout than you did the workout before. And you want to do that, and this you could progress like this and for probably another 8 weeks, 10 weeks, 2 or 3 months, and you can do just this simple workout. It takes 10 minutes total twice a week.